I've been getting this error, no paper cassette incorrectly inserted. And one thing that I did was, as a fix, I just put some tape here in the bottom. It helped lift the cassette enough where it would print. So again, all I did is insert some tape to lift this up. And so I was getting the no paper error, cassette error. And after that, it was loading the paper fine. And now it prints. It could be something else that I did. I did take apart the printer, but I know after doing that it helped with the print jobs. So that's one small thing you might want to try if you're having trouble feeding the paper in automatically. Good luck.